teachers.
Afisa mag thieth mag klinik kata clinical officers ogo tach e dho apisi mar gavana e kaunti ma Meru e kinde ma ng'anyo mar donje juma mar adek. Apisago mag thieth dwaro mondo sirkand kaunti no oketie tim winjruok mane gidonje ka moko kuom yoriwo meto mar osara, ng'iyo chal magi mag tich, medo gi ngas e tich e kind dwaro mamoko.
He has not done any promotion. We have had 3 meetings with this county. Whatever they are promising is that we wait for the next financial year. And we ask, hii pesa munasema ilikuwa, the money that you say that it was available for promotion, imeenda wapi?
Wakati hiyo waziri anaenda kudanganya governor na the rest of the cabinet at youth workers have been promoted, it's only one cadre. It's only one cadre which has been promoted in this county. So we are telling the governor, ile pesa anapatiana na anaambiwa imefanya kazi ya promotion in the department is only being utilized to promote one cadre. And we are saying that is discrimination, and that's why these clinical officers from Meru, they have down their tools because of the ineffectiveness of that officer.
Okenge mag donjruok e kuonde ma le mag bunge odakie oyangore no osebedo ka kelo monj mag le ne dhano.